Hi there, students. To cultivate, cultivation, cultivated as an adjective. Okay, to cultivate. It means to prepare and care for something in order to make it grow better, to foster its development. This word cultivate comes from agriculture, but it's very often used to talk about nurturing things such as skills or relationships or personal qualities. So, cultivate at a base level means to prepare and use land for growing crops, to promote the growth of plants. But it can also be used to refer to improving or developing something through careful attention, through training, through study. So yes, you children should be cultivated. I think a cultivated person is very much like a cultured person, is somebody who is ready to accept and think about many different ideas or ways of doing things. But primarily, cultivation is the use of land, the preparation of land for growing plants. So you loosen and break up the soil so that the roots can easily get into the soil. You prepare the land for crops. But you can also improve or develop something, looking after it, training it, teaching it. Um, so to cultivate a relationship, to cultivate a skill by making a special effort. She cultivated her skills through practice. He cultivated friendships with influential people. And cultivation is not just a physical action, but it can also be mental and emotional work to improve growth and development in various areas of life. So the land around here has never been cultivated. Well, the land has been intensely cultivated for many years. People cultivate flowers in this area. Um, Grapes have been successfully cultivated in southern Australia. And then to cultivate somebody, to try to get their friendship or support. So he purposely tried to cultivate good relations with the press. It helps if you go, as a politician, if you go out of your way to cultivate local people, to cultivate an attitude, to develop an attitude or a way of talking or behaving. She cultivated an air of sophistication. The modern image is actively cultivated by the company. So this comes from medieval Latin cultivatus, cultivo, to till the soil, to cultivate. From Latin cultus or collo, to till or to cultivate. Um, from Proto-Indo-European kel, to move or to turn around. So to cultivate, to grow plants or to foster, to tend, to nurture. They tried to cultivate an interest in learning among their students. Okay, so cultivate. To cultivate a respect for the law, to encourage, to foster. He's been cultivating a posh accent, to develop or refine, perhaps by education. Um, Okay, so to make friends, he cultivated the club's new members. Um, to cultivate a talent by education. So initially about farming or raising crops, but to train, to fine tune, to tame, to naturalize. She cultivated a small garden, tried to cultivate a positive mental attitude. He only cultivates people who may be of use to him. She went out of her way to cultivate his friendship. My father encouraged me to cultivate my mind. So Most of the land is too poor to cultivate. To try to develop or improve something, to cultivate an image. She's cultivated an image as a tough negotiator. You could cultivate a relationship. You make a special effort to establish and develop it because you think it's important. The new Prime Minister is cultivating relationships with East Asian countries, okay, to create a new condition by direct effort. We're trying to help these kids cultivate an interest in science, to cultivate, to become friendly with someone, to cultivate relationships. Um, so to till or fertilize the soil, a farmer cultivating a field, but to refine a skill, a mindset through study and creativity, to cultivate a relationship with your mentor, um, to artificially grow or foster the development of something. So, yes, to cultivate. The teacher tried to cultivate a lifelong passion for learning in her students. Reading every night is an excellent habit to cultivate. Meditation can cultivate a sense of inner peace. It's important to cultivate deep friendships that support you during tough times. The business executive works hard to cultivate relationships with international clients. So to foster, to improve, to care for, to refine, to cultivate the mind, to cultivate a reputation as a hardcore wheeler dealer, to seek the society of, to cultivate people as friends, to cultivate the arts, to propose, to encourage, to push forward. If you cultivate land or crops, you're preparing it for growing things. So, farmers cultivate crops like wheat or soybean. She decided to cultivate a vegetable garden. The company aims to cultivate a positive work environment. They're trying to cultivate a culture of innovation. The school hopes to cultivate a love for learning. She read books to cultivate her knowledge of history. He spends hours each day practicing the piano to cultivate his musical talent, to cultivate a sense of responsibility, to cultivate leadership skills, to cultivate inner peace, to cultivate a sense of curiosity, to cultivate a sustainable system. So, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6, maybe a 6.5 in formality, using a semi formal conversation and above, 6.5 out of 10. Um, Frequency of use, I would say medium frequency. So cultivate, cultivated, cultivation. Bye for now.